beautiful serene farmhouse near Nagpur. This is SVP Agro Farm, situated 38 kilometers away from Nagpur city, spread across an expansion of 24 acres of land. At SVP Agro Farm, you will find a range of stay options to suit every need and preference. Whether you are looking for a spacious and private bungalow or a luxurious AC suite or a comfortable dormitory for large groups, this resort has it all. The sprawling lawns are perfect for great celebrations, for family functions, corporate events, pre-wedding shoots and even dreamlike weddings. Add a touch of elegance to your every occasion. Create memories here which will last a lifetime. When it comes to recreation, SVP Agro Farm goes above and beyond. Take a dip in the refreshing swimming pool, dance your heart out in the exciting rain dance, or engage in various sports activities. You can also enjoy some nice desi food here. There's something for everyone. So whether you are planning a family weekend outing, a corporate get-together, or simply seeking a tranquil escape, SVP Farmhouse is your ultimate destination. This farmhouse has various cozy corners in nature where you can peacefully enjoy a cup of chai or read a nice book. So nested in nature's embrace, this farmhouse steals the show.